Small trailer operation and maintenance video. 1. Pull out the water pipe. 2. Turn the key to electrify. 3. Slide to the left to open the air vent. 4. Continue to turn the key to the right to start. 5. After starting, move the throttle back to the right. 6. Move the accelerator handle to the left. 7. After use, move the throttle handle to the right to close the throttle. 8. Move the throttle to the left to turn off the engine. 9. Turn the key to the left to turn off the switch. Maintenance tips. 1. The battery needs to be charged. Disconnect the connection wire when not in use to prevent power drain, and reconnect it before use. 2. This is the gasoline refueling port. 3. This is the oil filling port. Pay attention to the oil level during daily use. 4. The filter screen should be cleaned regularly to prevent clogging.